As you see, beautiful apartment. This is Cabondo. Look how this beautiful street, how it looks like. Those are paved road. Wow, let's keep on exploring more about this beautiful. Today, I'm walking in a Cabondo neighborhood. Look how it's so very beautiful. Wow, goodness, it's still straight. As you see, I'm still walking here in this beautiful neighborhood. Yeah, beautiful trees. You see how this apartment house are so very beautiful. Look inside. Hey, what's up? I hope that you're doing great. I'm Marius traveler. Today we're going to explore more about neighborhood which called Cabondo. Oh, look how this beautiful view where I am. Really, this beautiful neighborhood. It's so quiet. It's so richness. Yeah, I hope that many people they know more about this neighborhood. Now I'm in the way. I'm in the street. I'm in the Cabondo neighborhood. Stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Marius Traveler for more videos. Let's start walking here in this beautiful neighborhood. So very sorry for the air. My voice is not good. Yeah, but let's try. So you see, on the Greenery road. Look how it's so very beautiful. Wow, so very beautiful. This is Cabondo neighborhood, as we see. Cabondo neighborhood. Greenery street. Really Cabondo, the beautiful neighborhood here. Wow, that's so very pretty. Very beautiful. Black Lord. Now I'm going to enter the paved road. Wow, let's try walking here in this neighborhood. Oh, okay, you hear a lot of noise of air because the waves from Lake Tanganyika. Cabondo is a nearby Lake Tanganyika. Here I'm walking in some streets up here. You see what I call driver school. Someone is learning. He's studying how to drive a car. We are still exploring more about this beautiful neighborhood Cabondo. Look there how apartment looks like. Very clean. Straight. They're so green, as you see. Wow, look how this apartment, how it looks like. Very beautiful. And last thing I want to tell you is this Cabondo Wow, really so beautiful. Beautiful. Look how those face looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Also here, someone is studying how to drive a car. Yeah, Cabondo, Kinindo, it's nearby, yeah, it's nearby. Look how this apartment, how it looks like. Very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. Wow, so very beautiful, this apartment. This is Cabondo, Cabondo, and the neighborhood which called Asiatic. It's Greenery or Greenery. Cabondo, the beautiful neighborhood here, as you see. You see around face, around houses, around the apartment, there are a lot of trees. It means that the life is good here. It's a fresh, very fresh air. Wow. Here in this beautiful neighborhood. As you see, there's someone in the cleaning lot here. Yeah, so very beautiful. I'm taking you in this neighborhood, how it looks like. Perhaps you know more about this neighborhood. If you ever lived here in this neighborhood, Cabondo, it means that you know more about this neighborhood. Let's keep on. Wow. Wow. So if you like this video, if you like this neighborhood, subscribe. For more video, please subscribe. I beg you, subscribe to Marius for exploring more about this content about Cabondo Neighborhood. Let's keep on exploring more. Yeah. Going to close. We'll keep on exploring Cabondo. I'm just here for showing you how this beautiful neighborhood, how it looks like. Perhaps many people they often hear that Cabondo neighborhood, but they don't know. But for me, I'm trying to show you some streets, some lodges, some apartments, some house, how it's so beautiful. hope you enjoy with this video. Wow, look at palm trees, palm oil there, palm oil there. Wow. So let's take this street. Wow, 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 beautiful, beautiful. Look how this view looks like. Wow, very beautiful. Yeah, I'm in this beautiful neighborhood. You can't believe here how it's so beautiful. Actually, very quiet, no noise. Look how this street, how it looks like. Very beautiful, as you see. Apartment there. So this is Cabondo. Kabondo Neighborhood. Look how this gate, how it looks like. Those trees there, look there. Someone is driving a car. Wow. I'm just showing you how these views are so beautiful. Look there. Oh. Very beautiful. Let's pass here and keep on walking these streets. This is Cabondo. So I'm passing the different street. I don't know the name of those streets. Wow. Very beautiful, beautiful apartment. I see the rain is going to rain. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful apartment. Beautiful apartment. See? Look how this house, how it's constructed. Wow, wonderful, amazing. Look at that one there. Amazing, amazing. I'm still walking here. I'm still walking for showing you how this beautiful street, how it looks like. Wow, look, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Look how that apartment house looks like. Very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. This is Cabondo.